Hey everyone, welcome to Zach W Productions. Today we're going to be going over the unboxing of the new DJI Mavic Pro Alpine White, exclusively released at Apple and on DJI's website. So let's get to it. Alright, opening the box, we have the DJI Mavic Pro Alpine White itself. Comes with two propellers already on it. We have two batteries, three batteries. We have the controller. It's kind of stuck in there. We have the controller, also in white. In this pouch right here, we have a sleeve for your DJI and some extra cables, it looks like. And the sleeve is nicely lined on the inside. We also have the power cable to charge the device. We have an additional cable, it looks like more adapters, a micro USB to USB, and we also have the charger itself. And last but not least, we have wings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 extra propellers you get. All right, and there's one more pouch. Get all the manuals here, as well as a card to register your drone for DJI Care, which is kind of like Apple Care. The first one is $79 if you break your drone. Not lose it, you have to actually have it to send it in, but if it breaks, anything goes wrong with it, they'll replace it completely for $79 for the first incident and $129, I believe, for the second incident. Well, that wraps it up. I'll see you guys next time for a test flight of the drone itself. Thanks for joining. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment below. Thank you.